Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to look at this kit one more time. We're going to look at it a little differently though. Of course, this is the inspiration. I've been showing this at the beginning of all the videos. I have made 5 layouts so far with this kit. And now we're going to look at what I have left over, what I used and what I haven't used. And I know I've used up some things. So I'm going to go through the list that I used to pull everything out. And so the first thing is the green gingham. Yeah, I still have that. I haven't even used it. Haven't even touched it. So it is here. Let's see if I can find it. So we have the green gingham. So here we go. And then for the brass brads, guess what? I used them all up. Plus I went through my stash and I got more out to use on the last layout that I did. So I'm going to cross that one off. That one's a success. I still have a few brads, and I didn't even think I had any at all to start with. Okay, as for the flowers, I have used flowers quite a bit. I still have some that I had colored. Oh wait, there's a brad right there. Ooh. Remember I threw away those that I just didn't like. So I have these flowers left, and I think there's something else floating around. So I call that a plus. I've done really well. I've used a lot of the flowers, but I haven't used them up. Peach or green, wood green. So I have used one, and here is the other one that I have. Now I think there were 3, right? Anyway, so I just have this one left. And then the leaf die. Okay, I didn't use the die that I originally pulled out, which, sorry, I'm just kind of rummaging. So I pulled this one out, and I haven't used it, but I did use this one. So I call that a success. And then the lace trim completely, well, no. I didn't completely use it up. I almost did. So I already know what I'm going to be doing for the next page, and I wanted them layered. So I went ahead and attached the pom-pom to this banner. And so I know I'll be using that for this this next layout that I'm going to do. Then enamel dots, I used up all the green, and here's the peach. And then the doilies, I have 2 doilies left. I've already used, I think, 2.5, maybe just 1.5. And here, there's a little piece of one. And then let's see, gold thicker or words or alpha. So yes, I have used these words quite a bit. So that I'm glad for that. And then the floral washi, I have used washi on a couple of layouts, so I call that a success. I used the key, so that one's used up. I used all the gold tickets, the alpha stickers, stickers, and haven't even used this. This, I'm kind of embarrassed. I really need to use this. Okay, the floral plaid stripe papers, and then the black stripe. So here's the black stripe. Oh yeah, here's the leaf that goes with the flowers. And here's the papers I have left over, are those 2, and then this stripe. I have this left over of the bird paper. So actually it's looking pretty good. I have pulled a lot of white cardstock as well. So, you know, and then I have this. This had both sides were not full, but there was plenty there. There's not much left now. I have these little pieces here of like the branding strips. I have a little bit of this. I've been using this to, this would be nice to make some leaves out of it. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll cut some leaves out of that. Yeah, here's the stamps. So we're going to use a leaf stamp. I haven't used that. Didn't know if I was going to. I'm just not a big stamper. And I have plenty of stamps. I have plenty of ink. So it's just me. Then this is all the embellishments I have left. There's really not a lot left. And I don't know how much more I can make from it. I know that I've got one more page that I can make. Here's the word fun that never came out of the envelope because of the static. So there is this. So I wanted the gold because of the gold in the alpha words. So that's why I pulled that out. There's really not a lot. Yep, I'm almost completely, I don't know, you guys call it killed a kit. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I know for sure I'm gonna get one more page. I'm gonna see if I can get 7 total. So let's just see how it goes. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I know this is kind of an odd video, but I wanted to show you kind of where I was and wanted to know how you guys do. Do you end up looking at your stash here that you have left over? Do you try to divide it up, try to make 2 more pages? I mean, how do you guys do it? So I want it to be attractive and productive, but I just was curious how you guys do it. All right, anyway, thanks for joining me today. I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.